Hello, my dear friends. Me, David Nolan, with a new history topic in our channel.
Who is Barack Obama? Barack Obama was the 44th President of the United States. Brought into the world to a white American mother and a dark Kenyan dad, he is the primary African American to hold the workplace. Preceding turning into the president, he served 3 terms addressing the 13th District in the Illinois Senate and got public consideration during his mission to address Illinois in the United States Senate. An alum of Columbia University and Harvard Law School, he was an effective social equality lawyer before he wandered into legislative issues. Chosen for the U.S. Senate in 2004, he started his official mission in 2007. In the wake of winning adequate representatives in the Democratic Party primaries to get the official selection, he proceeded to overcome Republican chosen one John McCain in the overall political decision. He accepted office as the President of the United States in January 2009, when the nation was reeling under the worldwide monetary downturn. Assumptions were high from the new president, and the duties on his shoulders enormous. Inside the initial not many months, he carried out a few changes to balance out the economy and to support its development. He likewise totally upgraded America's international strategy. Obama was reappointed to a second term as president in November 2012. Youth and early life of Barack Obama. He was brought into the world as Barack Hussein Obama on 4th August 1961 in Honolulu, Hawaii, to Barack Obama, Sr. What's more, his better half, Stanley and Dunham. His mom was a white American, of for the most part English family line, while his dad was a dark Kenyan. His folks isolated when Barack was only a baby. His mother was as yet an understudy when she brought forth Barack Obama, and Obama lived with his maternal grandparents for a couple of years, while his mom finished her schooling. Barack Obama moved on from secondary school in 1979 and moved to Los Angeles to go to Occidental College. In 1981, he moved to Columbia College, Columbia University in New York City, where he studied political theory with a claim to fame in worldwide relations. He graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in 1983. From June 1985 to May 1988, he functioned as a local area coordinator for Lope inhabitants in the Roseland and the Altgeld Gardens people group. He entered Harvard Law School in the fall of 1988 and graduated with a JD Magna cum laude in 1991. As an understudy, he filled in as the leader of the Harvard Law Review, and his political race as the principal dark leader of the Harvard Law Review acquired public media consideration. Significant works of Barack Obama. In 2009, he marked the $787 billion American Recovery and Reinvestment Act to advance financial development amidst the major worldwide downturn. Inside the space of months, there was a flood in the number of occupations being made and joblessness claims started to die down. Over the time of 1 year, a sum of almost 3.7 million new private area occupations was made. Obama multiplied sustainable force age during his initial term. In 2009, he gave requests to all government organizations to eliminate their natural effects by 2020. A 30% decrease in armada fuel use and 26% support in water effectiveness are a portion of the objectives imagined accomplishing lower ecological effects throughout the following not many years. As the president, his significant spotlight was on rejuvenating the American economy after the downturn, and he marked the Dodd-Frank, Wall Street Reform, and Consumer Protection Act, 2010, to recontrol the monetary area after its decay during the downturn. He approved the activity, codenamed Operation Neptune Spear, to proceed with the attack on Osama container Laden's compound in Abbottabad, Pakistan, in May 2011. The activity brought about the demise of the notorious fear-based oppressor, who had figured out how to dodge catch-up until this point. He is additionally notable for his position on same-sex relationships and LGBT rights. He called for full correspondence for gays during his subsequent debut address on 21 January 2013. This was the first occasion when that a president referenced gay rights or the word gay in a debut address. He upholds same-sex couples receiving youngsters. Barack Obama met Michelle Robinson in 1989 while utilized as a mid-year partner at the Chicago law office of Sidley Austin. The couple began dating and in the end wedded in 1992. They are honored with two little girls, Malia and Natasha. Total assets of Barack Obama times Barack Obama has expected total assets of $12.2 million. Top 10 facts you did not know about Barack Obama. Obama was only a young man when his mom perceived his latent capacity and told a companion she accepted he could be a leader of the United States when he grew up. He used to compose verse when he was a youngster in adoration. The name Barack signifies one who is honored in Swahili. As a young man, experiencing childhood in Indonesia, he had a pet chimp named Tata. Obama concedes he ingested medications, including cannabis and cocaine as a teen. His b-ball playing abilities acquired him the moniker Obomber in secondary school. He loves funnies. He has perused each Harry Potter book and gathers Spider-Man and Conan the Barbarian funnies. He has attempted some extremely particular dishes like canine meat, snake meat, and broiled grasshopper while living in Indonesia. His youth moniker was Barry, and it was uniquely during his college years that he came to be tended to by his complete name. He claims 4 indistinguishable sets of dark size 11 shoes